Now, you can see all these structures in this reflection here. This is the tree line, but here you can see all the structures. That's a reflection of what's going on up and under the sun sim. What I'm assuming this be the sun sim. Okay?
It's crazy up there. Space
But that
Force.
looks like a huge wheel,
Yeah, we need a Space Force, alright.
which could potentially be that big wheel there. Could potentially be
I heard there was 2,000 demons
That.
for every human.
big wheel.
That's
That is housing
pretty
the cable
crazy.
to pull this massive platform across the sky. A lot of what we're seeing being sorcery and probably a lot of mysticism and sorcery connected with, obviously the use of fallen angel technology. But I'm just trying to get a sense of what's real versus what is sorcery and mysticism, and if in fact there is truly a platform that's being, mechanically finagled across the skyline.